Good news is that seaplane service from Delhi to Ayodhya is proposed to be developed. Hi friends, a seaplane service from Delhi, that is Yamuna Riverfront, to Ayodhya is being planned. The Sagamala Development Company SDCL under the Shipping and Waterways Ministry has issued an EOI expression of interest for seaplane service from Delhi to Ayodhya route. This is going to be a big boost for the development of Ayodhya since it's going to be a huge religious and tourist attraction in the coming years at the international level. As we know, construction of Ram Temple will start from 14th of January this year and is planned to be completed within 36 months approximately. L&T, Larsen and Toubro, who are a prestigious developer, are developing the Ram Temple. A bullet train service is also planned to be started from Delhi to Ayodhya. I have made a separate video on that. Seaplane service between Statue of Unity and Ahmedabad Sabarmati Riverfront has already been successfully started on the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel ji. This was a proud moment for India. Our Prime Minister also travelled on the seaplane from Statue of Unity to Sabarmati Riverfront. The aerial distance between Sabarmati Riverfront and Statue of Unity is 200 kilometers and it takes about 45 minutes to cover the distance. Government is planning to tap the potential of seaplane tourism across the nation and this is a step in the right direction. Possibility of launching seaplane service between the holy cities of Ayodhya and Varanasi is also being explored by the Sagamala Development Company. Ayodhya is going to be frontline city in the world tourism map. It's already going through a massive development work like the construction of Ram Temple, renovation of all the religious, spiritual and mythological sites along the 84 Parikrama road which is around 275 kilometers. Beautification of ghats on the Sayu river, roads and railway station will get a complete makeover. Tallest statue of Lord Rama is also been built. Widening and development of highways in and around Ayodhya is also been carried out. And not to forget the prestigious bullet train project from Delhi to Ayodhya. The Uttar Pradesh government itself will be spending more than 2000 crore to restore Ayodhya's lost glory and develop it as a major destination for religious tourism. We know that Ayodhya's religious and tourist destination has been severely neglected since decades. As per the experts, there will be at least 1 lakh pilgrims per day once the Ram Temple has been built by the year 2023 or 2024. Lot of negative people will be criticizing development work at Ayodhya. Unfortunately, everybody wants free ration, free subsidies, loan waivers, but nobody wants to participate in the development work. But we need to understand that where will the government get the money from? We must encourage and support development work since it will generate immense employment opportunities in and around Ayodhya. These projects will not only generate the employment today, but also a lot more employment in the future. We need to understand that revenue generated from religious and tourist sites will ultimately be used by the state and the country. The seaplane service, once developed, will be a feather in cap for Ayodhya, and let's hope that this is as successful as the seaplane service from Sabarmati Riverfront to Statue of Unity. Let's hope that Ayodhya is at the top of international map for religious and tourist attraction. Thank you so much, friends. Jai Shri Ram.